During installation, make sure to follow local safety guidelines and direction per the engineer of record. Scourlok units are shipped pre-assembled, making placement fast and easy. Install the Scourlok system at appropriate elevation and alignment. Starting with the lowest section of the alignment, lower the first unit onto the foundation layer and expand into place. Unless otherwise noted by the engineer, at each termination point, curve the unit into the slope so the ends can be buried. This will prevent water from getting behind the units. Because of the system's flexible nature, units can easily be contoured to create gradual curves. Curving must be done during setup, and all curved units must be set out and joined before filling. Each 15-foot unit can be curved a maximum of 12 inches from the tangent line set by the previous unit, resulting in a radius of around 30 feet. To create concave curves, remove one rear-facing panel to create a triangular unit. Using bolt cutters, snip the spiral connector at the top and bottom to allow the spiral to be removed. Next, cut along the geotextile inside the unit, just under the row of staples. Remove the cells panel and reapply the spirals at each corner to secure the internal panels. Bring panel corners together to create one enclosed cell. Overlap the corner spirals and insert the joining pins in order to complete the triangular cell. To create convex curves, remove one front-facing panel, creating a triangular unit. Cut the exterior HPTRM down the middle of the cell to expose the cell's panel and geotextile lining. Remove the spiral connectors on each side of the panel and cut along the geotextile inside the unit, just under the row of staples. Remove the cell panel and reapply the spirals at each corner to secure the internal panels. Overlap the corner spirals and insert the joining pins in order to complete the triangular cell. Shingle the exterior HPTRM in the direction of flow and trim excess material in order to maintain a 6-inch overlap. Secure the overlap to the cell, leaving a minimum of 3 inches beyond the hog rings. If a more gradual curve is needed, the removed panel can be cut and replaced, creating a wider radius. To do this, remove the panel and measure to determine the needed size. Using bolt cutters, snip panel rungs to remove a section of the panel. Once panel is cut to desired size, replace it on the unit, securing one side with spiral connectors. Bring panel corners together to create one enclosed cell.